Hey, my name's Colin, and I'm here today to show you how to lift the cab on your Cat D series skid steer loader. Lifting the cab makes it easy to access the components underneath. First, remove the two bolts located on the front of the cab. Next, lift the cab until it latches on the safety bar. Now you are able to easily access the hydraulic pumps, hoses, and valves, as well as clean out mud and debris. This is so much easier than similar machines from other manufacturers. To lower, simply lift up and unlatch the safety bar and lower the cab, and replace the two bolts. That was today's quick tip. Thanks for watching.